One classy casino. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man. A walkthrough of Golden Nugget Casino located in fabulous downtown Las Vegas. Starting this walkthrough of the Golden Nugget from the south entrance near the Rush Tower. Here you will find Chart House Seafood Restaurant, which features a 75,000-gallon tropical fish aquarium and fresh fish specialties, succulent steaks, and slow-roasted prime rib. Dioro offers elegant jewelry and exquisite timepieces. The Golden Nugget was originally built in 1946, making it one of the oldest casinos in the city. Legendary Las Vegas icons Jackie Gahn and Steve Wynn at one time owned a stake in the Golden Nugget. On the right is Red Asian cuisine, authentic Japanese cuisine in a chic setting. On the left is the entrance to the Grand Events Center. Now walking towards the north side of the casino towards Fremont Street. Upstairs, Troy's Liquor Bar is a nightclub that has a second-level balcony that offers views of Fremont Street experience. Located towards the center of the casino is the Rush Lounge, the Grill, the Race and Sportsbook, and the Race and Sportsbook Bar. Now walking on the north side of the casino floor, which is parallel with the Fremont Street experience. Next up is Stage Bar, an outdoor bar that rolls along the Fremont Street experience. A great place to people watch. Here's Bar 46. Bar 46 offers live gaming, outdoor patio seating, and a great view of Fremont Street at an affordable price. Now walking southbound on the east side of the casino floor as we continue our walkthrough of the Golden Nugget. On the left is where you'll find the cashier's cage, and on the right is Claude's Bar. And here's the Golden Nugget Poker Room, which hosts 13 smoke-free tables, comfortable seats, and a plush decor. On the left is the high limit slots area. After that, take a left to go down to the Gold Tower elevators. Down here is the first of two essential stores. From here, take a right and you will find the Hand of Faith. The Hand of Faith is the biggest golden nugget in existence, weighing in at 61 pounds. Continuing south towards the lobby, here's Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse. Their award-winning menu features USDA prime grain-fed beef, fresh seafood, and an extensive wine collection. And next is where you'll find the guest check-in area and the box office for events and tours. Go up to the north side of the pool area and you'll find Grotto Italian Restaurant and Bar. There is seating available under the Grotto Atrium, which offers a great view of the pool. Continuing south along the pool area, here's Ice Bar, the ultra chic lobby bar that features specialty cocktails. The award-winning pool area features a 200,000-gallon Shark Tank aquarium that has a water slide running through the center of it. CJ offers a medley of home-style dishes including burgers, sandwiches, fresh baked pot pie, specialty salads, and baby back pork ribs. And they serve breakfast all day. Golden Nugget is a great option if you're planning to stay on Fremont Street with the little ones. On the left is Cadillac Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar, and on the right is Style and Trend, which features fashionable clothing for men and women with a variety of shoes, handbags, and accessories. And now we are down by the Carson Tower as we finish this walkthrough of the Golden Nugget. Down here you'll find a Starbucks, a Chick-fil-A, and another essentials shop. Like what I'm doing? Well, show support and hit the super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member and get access to exclusive content. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.